Hey all, let me show you how I've done this green glam Sangeet makeup look. This is very simple, looks like everything is just blended into my skin and it's just giving a pop of shimmer onto my eyes and like a glossy nude lips. So let's just get right into this video. So for hair curls, I've already done it, and to preserve it, I'll be using these two rods. So I'm just going to wrap my hair. You can even use those Velcro rollers or any of those to preserve your curls perfectly. This one doesn't preserve them perfectly because I've done like outward, inward, and not like outward and outward. So I don't know how these will preserve my curls, but let's see. Literally, I look like a kid. Before starting the makeup look, let's just sip some water. Uh, if I do this, I feel like those imitations of the creators, those who just sip a cup of coffee or tea before they start their live session. Yeah, I'm feeling one of those influencers who does that. I can even sip water off camera, but I don't know why. It looks nice. This is actually gifted by Wishlink for my birthday. Thank you, Wishlink. For the base, for skin prepping, I'm using the Lakme Perfect Radiance Serum. It has 7% niacinamide. And I like this a product because it gives lot of hydration to the face. I mean, the hydration also lasts for so long, and also this gives a beautiful glow to the skin. I mean, it gives a dewy finish to the skin. For the under eye hydration, I'm using this Tokobo Collagen Brightening Eye Gel Cream. You can even use like a normal eye creams or normal moisturizer also for hydrating your under eyes, but make sure that those eye creams or normal creams that you use doesn't like clog your pores around your eyes, because if you use like regular moisturizers which are thick, then it might clog your pores and form those milia under your eyes. Then for lips, I'm using this cute lip balm from The Ordinary. It has choline amino acids. Okay. For this look, I'm going to start first with the eyes. So I'm using this Love Child concealer. Oops, I forgot to use my eye lens. This one is matte, so you need to blend it super quick, otherwise it will become matte and you can't blend it. So apply it and right away you need to blend it. For eye color lenses, I'm using my trusted O lens. I have been using these from year or year and a half, and these are my favorite lenses. They are very comfortable. So for this look, I'm using O lens VV ring. So I don't have any sight. I'm using just zero power lenses and using this applicator. I feel like applying with applicator is very easy because if you use your fingers, you need to always wash your fingers before using them. Even if you touch something or the other, the particles on those things get stuck to your fingers, onto your lens, and it will go into your eyes, and the eyes will get irritated a lot. One, need to be very careful. See how comfortable and how quick the lens got like adjusted to your natural eye lens. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Sugar 02 eyeshadow palette and I'm taking the shade medium brown and just going from outer crease to the inner crease and also on the eyelid, I mean outer eyelid. Now you can take a regular fluffy brush and just soften the edges. To be on safe side, always go in circular motions. Then I'm taking this olive gold shade actually have shimmer, but it's not very blingy. So I'm applying this Charmasi Milano Star Bomb eyeshadow in the shade 006. And you need to just pack on this shade. Next, using this brown kajal from K by Katrina, K Beauty. Now taking a brush to smudge the brown kajal. So only I'll be smudging near the outer eye, and let's just leave that inner eye like that because we have already applied shimmer over there on my waterline too. And now just smudging it. Next I'm going to curl my lashes using this lash curler. And then using this Maybelline Colossal waterproof mascara because obviously it's like a event and you need a waterproof mascara. So I'm coating my lashes 2 to 3 times for this look because I'm not going to use any falsies because I've already used a brown kajal and smudged it and formed a wing, and I don't want that to get covered using the false eyelashes because if you apply false eyelashes, the eyeliner part will just get disappeared and you can't see only. But if you apply in a thick eyeliner layer, then you can see a little bit of kajal or like the eyeliner part. Same mascara to my lower lashes too. Next, for the eyebrows, I'm using this Color Chemistry brow pencil. I'll be linking all the products in the description so you can go and check it out. This is very creamy, so you need to go with very light hands because it's very pigmented unlike other eyebrow pencils. I feel like this is pigmented as those Lakme old brow pencils, so you need to be very careful. When you are putting money on this kind of natural makeup, the shelf life of these products will be very less and you need to use it very often in the shelf life period. I thought this brown shade won't match me, but somehow this shade actually matched my brows and it doesn't look like more brownish. It's like a blackish brown mix eyebrow pencil, so it matched my brows. For the base, I'm using this e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. Only on the highest points of my face I'm going to use it. A little bit here and also here. I feel like this e.l.f. Halo Glow is a must-have product in any kit, and it gives a beautiful radiant shine to the skin. You can use it before your foundation or else you can even use it after applying your foundation. But for a seamless highlighting effect, I'm going to use before applying my foundation. You can already see the difference how my skin is shining in the areas where I've used this e.l.f. Halo Glow. For the foundation, I'm using my favorite foundation. It's the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation and I'm in the shade 330. This is my favorite foundation. I mean, it's drugstore and the coverage and the finish. I love it. Love it. And the remaining foundation obviously to the forehead because I don't want more product to the forehead and it looks like weird if I use more product on my forehead, so that's the reason I use very less product on my forehead. Next, I'm using this Too Faced Chocolate Souffle Melting Bronzer. This one is like an actual contour stick. It's not like a bronzing stick because as you can see the shade, it's not warm and it's like a cool tone brown shade, and this blends so well into my skin. I mean, it doesn't give harsh effect like harsh contour effect, so I really like this product and the shade is perfect. But if you're more on the deeper skin tone than me, then I don't think so this will work for you. But if your shade is like my shade or a little lighter like medium to fair skin tones, then I feel like this will suit you. As you can see, this is giving like a cool tone gray or brown shade, and when you blend it, it will blend very seamlessly into your skin. So I'm taking this brush and going in circular motions. So when you go in circular motions for the contour, you don't get those harsh lines. See, the contour is there, but it's not like it's there. So you want the effect, it's like it's there, but it's not there. So that kind of effect I need for my contour or bronzer. Just blend it into your hairline. And to the jawline too, a little bit. And this smells exactly like chocolate. Exactly like chocolate. And the remaining contour on the sides of my forehead. Next, applying my favorite compact powder, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Compact in the shade Tan. Taking this fluffy brush and just using it under my eyes. And then using it all over my face. But the areas where you need extra glow, do not go overboard with your compact powder over there. Lightly brush the skin with this compact powder over the area where you need more glow, so that your base looks matte but also it looks glowy. That's what we need. And for the blush, I'm going to use this MAC Mocha Matte Powder Blush. This is my first time using this blush. I'm going to apply a mauve lipstick, so I'm going to use this kind of blush. The entire face will be well balanced with the lips, cheeks and also eyes. I don't know why they named it as mocha, but the shade is not like mocha. Not at all super pigmented. Maybe for fair to medium skin tones this will show up. But on like dusky to deeper skin tones, you need to build it up a lot for the pigment to show up on your face. So this highlighter, I didn't buy it, but I received this Fenty Beauty highlighter from my first paid collab with Fenty. That's like my dream come true with Fenty. I mean, collaborating with Fenty on paid basis is like a dream come true. Fenty, please give me another collabs. I want to really build a good relationship with your brand. I really like the brand. I mean, the inclusivity, the products they launch, everything is top notch and super good. I really like most of their products. Whatever I try, the products are like super hit from their brand. So I use this shade and I feel like it's a bit more ashy highlighting. So I'm using this golden shade. See this pigment. I mean, for the night events you can go overboard with your highlighters, because when the light hits it just like boom, shine. For the day events, when the light doesn't hit your highlighter, it looks so weird. So for the night events only, go overboard with your highlighters. Otherwise apply very little bit of highlighter. But for the day events also, you can go overboard with your highlighters when you attend like a open outdoor events. When the sunlight just falls onto your face, the highlights just like booms, then it'll look crazy. For the lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty Rich Brown Lip Contour Lip Liner and just outlining my lips. Then using this My Hues Rani Sa liquid lipstick. Then using this Elega Lip Oil Nourishing Gloss. This is also one of my favorite lip gloss. It's a clear gloss, but it has like these shimmer particles. What I love about this lip gloss is it's a nourishing lip oil lip gloss. So the formula is such that it will stick to your lipstick very well and it doesn't just go off, because it's not too lightweight and not too thick of a lip oil or lip gloss. It's an hybrid kind of lip gloss. So it also gives like a clear lip gloss, but also that shiny effect to your lips without too much of glitter particles. And after we complete our lips, let's just do CT and remove that lipstick part, which will, you know, eventually get transferred onto your teeth. Everybody will look at your teeth and none of them will actually inform you that the lipstick is on your teeth, except for your true friends or true family. Lastly, I'm using this Mars Seal the Deal makeup fixer. I think this is the second time I'm using this, and I've heard very good reviews on this makeup fixer. Really like the nozzle and the way it sprays. And I'll just be right back with my accessories, outfit, bindi. So the outfit is so simple and the jewelry also is very simple, but I didn't add any neck piece because this jewelry is a set and the choker is so big, like this big, and it will look so awkward, weird if you go for a Sangeet with so much of jewelry. So I feel like Sangeet should be like very light jewelry, very light dress, so that you can easily dance in the dress. So that's what I feel. So if I went to a Sangeet, that's how I would get ready. And then I'm using this Bath and Body Works Into the Night Diamond Shimmer Mist. Shake it and use it on your neck. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!